Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make keychains with a variety of designs from UV resin. I prepared the mold and poured the first layer. I carefully spread it along the edges and checked for bubbles. If there are any, I remove them with a stick or a lighter. Then I put it in a lamp to dry for 120 seconds. Next, I use dry pearlescent pigments. I dilute them in resin and mix thoroughly. The color varies depending on the amount of dye added, so if you want a brighter color, add more pigment. I then apply it to our future pieces. I use dyes in different shades. Today I'll use lilac, blue, and green. I'll also show you how to apply pop-up gold. While applying the dyes, we don't dry them instead. We partially dilute them with clear UV resin. Once we've created all the backgrounds on the pieces, we heat them in the lamp for 120 seconds. After adding the dyes, we'll now apply the floating gold. You can't pour it into the pieces, as it will become soft and ruin the finished product. It can be applied to both liquid resin and hardened base. Next, we'll do the decor. Today, I'll be using clear stickers and nail decals. Stickers are a must. Press firmly with your finger to keep out air. My stickers are a bit different and you need to soak them in water and remove the film. Press firmly as well. In general, you can use anything for decor. Once all the decor is installed, pour the resin. You can pour it in 2 stages, but I do it in 1. You'll also see how to create a lens effect or a more voluminous, convex keychain or pendant. These are the future jewelry pieces I made. You can make pendants, keychains, or earrings. The design is unique and unique. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel to support me. I'm also looking forward to your ideas and suggestions.